3, 2, 1, go.
And here we go, beginning our autonomous period. Once again, as we mentioned earlier, these robots are some of the highest performing robots in the tournament right now. We're going to see in this tournament if they can hold that title or if KookieBots and Silas can take them out, because from what I've seen, a lot of people have been talking about KookieBots and Silas. Their robots are very high performing, very good themselves. So this is going to be, in my expectation, a very high scoring match, and we're already seeing a bit of that. The Red Alliance scoring lots of their cones in that high junction, with the Blue Alliance unfortunately missing a few of theirs.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And here we go with these robots entering their driver control period. I believe we may have gotten 2 correct parks from that autonomous period. 12560 being a little bit blocked by KookieBots, but Nasing no problems at all with that long arm of theirs. They just literally go directly over the heads of KookieBots and score. Meanwhile, you've got the Red Alliance going for the thing, but Blue Alliance scoring in their upper beacon, upper junction there, and immediately being recaptured by Silas there, with Silas with their tilting arm allows them to push the junctions a little bit to score successfully on that middle junction there. Meanwhile, you've got some defensive play from the Blue and Red Alliances. They're bumping heads as much as they can, trying to get their other side of the team not scoring properly, slowing them down just a little bit to make sure their Alliance runners can score correctly. Looks like Red Alliance 16379 KookieBots reclaiming that upper beacon for themselves. So far, it does look like the Red Alliance is scoring a ton in that upper junction area. That could score them the win. They do have a substantial lead right now as the live scoring goes 87 to 177, but that can change coming penalties and coming Nora. Looks like Red Alliance is starting to catch up a bit. We got 1 minute left in the game and 30 seconds left until the end game. Blue Alliance scoring back onto that upper junction. Red Alliance scoring onto the upper junction. These chants in the crowd are active. The teams are moving. This is going to be a high scoring match no matter which way you look at it, with the Red Alliance scoring very high amounts and then moving that junction around. We got the Blue Alliance scoring on the middle junction. Yes, these teams are scoring quickly as fast as they can as they enter the end game here. They're going to try and score a few more of those cones on those junctions before capping it with the beacon. Looks like we've got Silas Robotics getting ready to capture something with their beacon, but unfortunately the Blue Alliance has taken that beacon on their junction instead, as we've got 10 seconds left in the end game here. These junctions are starting to tilt around a bit. We do not want any of these junctions to turn over, though. That would be a major penalty, and it looks like successfully these robots are scoring, and they're getting ready with 2, 1. The end of the match with the Red Alliance. Looks like they may have a lead in dethroning the Blue Alliance, so we just have to wait and see penalties and final scoring. But